Oh. I'm so thankful that he came out quickly with no complications.
I guess those complications depend on who you ask when it comes to the young life of Maverick Mikkelson. Mom Lisa and Dad Mike are all smiles at Palomar Health, but their hair was on fire Tuesday morning.
I was sleeping and I woke up at 3 a.m. thinking I had a tummy ache. So I started doing dishes and just cleaning up around the house and took a shower. 2 hours later, got in the car.
But that little boy wasn't going to wait to get to Palomar here in Escondido. No, his birth certificate says born on July 30th, 2013 on Interstate 15. The Mikkelsons were heading to Palomar from their home in Temecula.
And then I realized in the car that we weren't going to make it to the hospital.
I didn't realize she meant right now.
He didn't even have a chance to pull over, and the baby was in my arms.
The baby is on her chest. She's holding the baby.
Right here near the Gopher Canyon Road exit, where pedestrians are prohibited, but childbirth is okay, little Maverick was born.
We did think about Dodge.
He thought about Dodge.
He was born in the Dodge Charger.
Then a 911 dispatcher told Mike he needed to tie off the umbilical cord. Mikkelson turned MacGyver, looking to his boots for help.
That's the umbilical cord with my bootlace tied around it.
Paramedics finally took over from there, and the whole time, bearing witness to the dramatics, Maverick's 1.5-year-old brother.
He was in the back seat, just watching everything.
An amazing family moment along Interstate 15. Joe Little, 10 News.